Somebody in the room called Charlie is being naughty. We've just been watching Naughty Buster on the channel, haven't we, on YouTube. So we've been watching Buster. And somebody by the name of... No biting. You little shit. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. What up, you silly bird? You're round and round and round and round and round. Round, like a rugger round. Now it's coming. It's coming. So we've not been on for a few days, have we? Because we've not been able to get in the front room. So yeah, no, we've already had a bit about bashing the bedroom. That brand new mattress there, sorry for you to eat. Your bed over there. Oh, you're not bloody right, bro. What? She's telling get your beak off my camera. You'll be a good boy. Alright, man, you're going to fall out and I'm going to take you upstairs and I'm going to put you away. You want to go away? No? Well, be good then. No, chewing dust. Dad'll chomp on you. The phone's had it already, mate. I've only had it 2 weeks. It's fooged. Stop it! What are you doing? You're bloody not right. Like, honestly, what the bloody hell is your problem, bruh? You can get off the flat. No, stop chewing the phone. It's not to eat. How many times I got to tell you not to eat the phone? Tell ya. Here's a kiss. Good boy. See, here's a naughty parrot, Dad. I am. Say I am. I'm the naughty parrot in the house. And look, bloody hell, the sun's out, mate. The sun's out for a change. I can't even see you on the screen. I know. Oh, look, pig. Stop it. You're deafening me, you loud mouth. What do I do? So you don't have to shout. No shouting. Oh, look at me. My name's Charlie and I'm parading about like I own the gaff. But get your measly mitts off the camera. Oh, God, he's back. Dun, dun, dun. He's back. He's got. You can leave them. What's wrong with you today? No biting. You're actually going back in that bloody cage. Yeah, listen. I'll give you a bath. Oh, you're all pretty and white. Oh, it's a pretty birdie. I didn't give Dad some loves. Dad got the camera and you can't have it. I don't care. You're not having it. You're not having it. No biting, or else you're going back in that cage and you won't be out of there till the morning. You listening? And you'll be stuck in there all night long. You know, I don't care. Now why don't you go play up here? Look. Come on. Step. Get on here. You're pain in the arse. That bloody tree to play on and you're all interested in dicking around with Dad.